Hey, yo, ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy Chris Amilo. Welcome back to another episode of Life in Dubai, United Arab Emirates. Today, I want to discuss what has been happening to us Africans or Nigerians in specific in this country, United Arab Emirates. It seems like nobody wants to talk about it, so I want to talk about it. But before we actually now go to the main reason why I came today, I want you guys to watch this video. I made this video the day that this thing actually happened, so I couldn't post it, but I want you guys to watch this video, and after watching this video I will tell you guys what I am trying to insinuate. Kindly watch this video. Let's come back and talk about our situation in this country. Go and watch this video now. Hey, yo, ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy Chris Amilo. So guys, let's talk about this, because it seems like a lot of us now feel like this one no be our own, it's not our business. You get, things they happen, a lot of things they spoil, you get. The only thing that we do is to sit down and complain, you get. For you complaining, the question is this: wetin you don't contribute to make sure this problem is at least getting to the solution? Because what we now have to do be say, we hear say them fight for charger, we go just post them, share them for WhatsApp, share them everywhere. You go say, the Nigeria do this, so the Nigeria do that, or this one do this. So the question is this: upon all this complaint where you they make, wetin you don't do to actually prove? Because to be sincere with you, this thing where they happen like this now, they affect each and every one of us. I'll give you an example. Do you know that it takes a lot of explanation, it takes a lot of hard work, it takes a lot of things for you to prove to them now, say you be at least the good side of Africa? I'm not talking about Nigeria, I'm talking about the whole of Africa. Do you know that it takes a lot of for understanding, a lot of watching, a lot of observing to actually believe that you are actually part of the few good African out here in the UAE? But all we do to do not, what we just see it online, we go share, give our friend, we go complain, go heaven, complain, go down. Waiting, what have you done? What you don't contribute to make sure say this thing, they actually see that not all Nigerians are like this. Now I'm putting it out to every one of you watching me right now that we all have a challenge to face. And despite saying me, I don't know what thing caused the fight. The only thing I have to do is to do what I can do my best, and leave the rest. And the best that I can do is to make sure that if you watch me like this, I'm giving you a challenge to do a short video, at least 1 minute, to explain and let us know that in the midst of the whole of the thing that is happening with Nigerian nationality in this country, say you and I are not part of it. Now you will use the hashtag say no to courtism in UAE. And if you can do this, if at least 10 people that watch this video will be able to do this, at least share it on Twitter, make some hashtag, share it on Facebook, make some hashtag. We will be making progress one by one. Not be to sit down and complain and say this one happened, this one happened. What have you done concerning this? You keep complaining. This life is not just to complain. What have you put on the table to make sure, say, at least your name is cleared? Because see, all of us name there, as long as the name is tagged Nigeria, all of us are in this mess together. Let's just say the truth. All of us, as we are all as Nigerians, all of us there for this mess together, you get? Okay, welcome back. Now, in this video, I was talking about people, we Africans keep complaining. Instead of us looking for solution, we like complain. Now, the reason why I actually made this video is because this thing happened, and once it happens, I only see our people sharing it on WhatsApp, on different platforms, this is what our people they do. Now this one, what our people they do. Fine, it is very nice. Creating awareness, good. But waiting we don't actually do to make this thing, to create other awareness, to make sure say we as Nigerians we there against what is happening. That is what I'm for. Understand? When I saw the video, I never bothered. I don't want to even post the video here on YouTube. One, because the video is too bloody to be on YouTube, and also it's also regarding the image of me as a Nigerian or Africans as a whole. Because see, good say one person from somewhere go tell you say no be your people where they do cause all this wahala for charger. You get? So for me, they pay me for heart, and that be the reason. And I get a lot of audience will be say, even for my Facebook, different nationalities. So that kind of information I know if you share them out, because of say it go tarnish my own image, because me, I'm a Nigerian. You get? So what am I trying to say? We got to come together and fight this together. Understand? These people that into this thing, I don't understand. I keep saying this. I don't want to talk about advising them, because it seems like we cannot advise them. Understand? The only thing that we can do is to make sure that our own name is cleared. Because listen, whether you like it or not, it's very hard now for we as Nigerians or as Africans to convince other people now that we are good side of our country. You get? It is very hard. It takes a lot of hard work. Even if you are working in the company, they have to watch you, observe you to actually believe that you are good. It has to take a lot from you. You get? And that is why it's now like a burden to us in this country, saying before we go fit prove to our employers that we're actually good, we have to sacrifice everything, our time, our energy, everything has to be involved. We have to sacrifice everything. We have to sacrifice everything because of this thing that is happening. This one not be the first time, not the second time. What can we say again? What will go fit talk again? You leave your papa house, you leave your mama house, you left your country, you come to UAE, and the only thing where you go fit do na to the form courtesan. Now see, me I understand say we all of I don't know whether na a battle of leadership I no just understand what you dey fight for. Now woman you dey fight for. Me sef when I dey here, I no even dey think of woman, I dey think of how I go fit secure my future. You get? Wetin go dey cause the kind of fight? That is my own question. Wetin be the reason of this fight? Now woman, okay fine, if this one, because then get different fly color where they fly, fine. If this color they fly this building, okay, make you wey be say you no be that group, kindly leave that place and go to another building where you make sure that peace go reign. Because this thing is destroying the image of Nigerians. Not just Nigerians, Africans, because now every African is a Nigeria, whether you like it or not. Whether you're from Ghana, you're from Kenya, you're from Uganda, you're from especially Ghana and Cameroon, all of you are Nigerians. So if we are fighting this cause, we have to fight it alone. And please, it's not about giving blame and say I don't understand what you are. Don't complain. Now it is time for action. You get? There is nothing you can do to change those guys. We when they talk, we don't talk. That even saliva went up my mouth don't finish. You get? So what you need to do? Take action that will signify that you are clean. You get? You are clean, and that is the only thing. Using the hashtag say no to courtesan in UAE, and that one can help us. You get? You can help us. You can follow us on our Twitter handle at Voice of Nigeria in Dubai. Voice of Nigeria in Dubai. So you can follow us there. Then make your own video or make your own comments. You can use this picture. You can use this picture, or you can create your own graphic. It doesn't matter, but just make sure say you use the hashtag say no to courtesan in UAE. Please, you tag Nigerian embassy, you tag us, which is Voice of Nigerians in UAE. Then you can also tag me, Christian Milo Dubai. Let's make this happen. You get? It's all about change. This change now, what they talk about Nigeria go change. Now we need to change first. You know, if we can show an example, those one will be saying, and then the cost of this thing go still say and must start to adjust, because if we cannot make this move, there will be no adjustment. You understand? Now, my advice to anybody now where they around Charger, you understand? Around Charger, because basically the headquarters is Charger. Now, if you know, say you are here to work properly, leave Charger, go to Dubai or go to Abu Dhabi. Now, if you want to stay in Charger, leave another or any place that close to another. Any building where you see, say that building a place where they sell drink or they sell, you know, you leave that place and go to a place where we say you have people that are working, because there is a place where we say people are working, are staying, and another place where we say people who know they work, they stay. So you have to choose where you go stay. If you choose to stay where they sell drink and all this thing, when all these things they happen, when another file go bust at, it go land for your head. So the only thing is that we have to use our brain to work in this country, and we all can work together to make our name clear, because our name, they don't finish them. I swear that our name don't turn it, because I know how many people, even though I didn't share this video, I know how many people when no be Nigerian nationality or even Africa will chat me up. They tell me, say, see what your people they do. You know, do you know that feeling? You get? So that's it, my brothers. This is what I just said. Let me share today. This is not every time we'll be talking about the flight. We're not talking about. Some people are asking me a lot of things about flights. On my next video on Tuesday, I have somebody from Lagos. He's an ticketing agency, registered ticketing agency company in Lagos. So I'll be bringing him to my live, and we will discuss regarding flights. A lot of vital information will be given out to you. So stay tuned to my live video the end. So like I said, not every time we'll be talking about jobs and other things. Well, this one is a critical matter, and if you believe that if this thing they touch you, I think make you stop to complain and take this action. And the action is say no to cultism in UAE. I challenge you to make your own post, or if you cannot make your own post, go to my page and make share. Or if you cannot go to my page, just make anything. Just make sure say you use that hashtag say no to cultism in UAE on Twitter and also on Facebook. Let's share the peace and let's share the love. If you get a WhatsApp message, you can share it also on WhatsApp. Let us share this thing. Say, let our name be cleared, because not be every Nigerians are bad. You get, not every Nigerians are bad, and that is the message I'm giving out. Do not let them look you like one of those ones, because if you cannot differentiate yourself from them, that is when problem coming in. You have to take you a lot of things to start explaining to other people that you are not one of them. This is the right time to start this movement. Join me as we follow the hashtag say no to cultism in UAE. My name is Christian Milo. Peace out. If you haven't subscribed, I didn't even talk about subscribing, but I beg, make una not forget to like before you leave this video. Like, if you're new in my channel, kindly subscribe. Very, very important. Your like is needed. So peace out and God bless.
Baby,